Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will mix deep purple enamel paint for wood. Deep purple is an excellent choice for anyone who is looking for plenty of life to their cooking. Deep purple is a cheerful hue that can be used on islands, kitchen cabinet, wall and more. If you are new to our channel, please support us by clicking the subscribe button to keep updated on our upcoming paint mixing videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 gallon of deep purple enamel paint for kitchen cabinet. Let's start by reducing 50% ratio of enamel white. Then let's now add enamel maroon toner. Next let's add enamel violet toner. Stir the paint very well to come out to color result. Yes, it's deep purple color already. Mixing accomplished. Until next paint mixing tutorial videos guys. Thank you for watching. God bless.